Hello, welcome to another class arena video tutorials on HTML. Today we'll be seeing some of these common HTML tags and their definitions. Alright, 1. We can talk about this paragraph. The tag represents a paragraph tag which starts with paragraph and then slash paragraph. Actually, HTML tags, they are in pairs. Almost 95 or 99% of HTML tags, they are pairs. Just few that are just single. So let's continue and see other common tags. We have the bold, which will start with the open tag B and close tag B / B. This is called the bold tag. We have the strong. The strong is for a big text. Now the I, which you open your I tag / I tag, represents an italic tag. The anchor tag, which is A / A, this is an anchor tag. Now the break tag, this usually gives a single line break. It's actually a BR or /BR or BR/. Anyone you choose, it will go. Now the next one we have is a H1. This is a type of heading tags which start from H1 to H6. You can either use H1. H1 is actually the biggest, followed by the H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Alright? And then we have the iframe, which is iframe / iframe. This is a frame tag. Usually we use this tag to insert another page, to call in another page or another website into our home, our own page or our website or any other page that you wish to call into. You use the iframe, or you can also use this iframe as one of your design for your admin panel, which will just call all other pages into one area. Got it? Don't worry about this, we'll get to know it better the next video. Alright, we continue with another one which is called the marquee. This is actually a kind of movement that is being applied to text, images, or any object on your web page. If you use this marquee, you can have your movement, a scroll movement. Actually, it has some other attributes which you can use, but then for now, let's just take it like this. We'll go with the image. This is actually an image tag which start with the img / img. This is an image tag that is used to insert an image to a web page or a website, or yeah, any of that. Right, we have this guy, it is called the ordered list. This is a type of tag that is used to list item on your web page. You can use this tag to list a particular type of item on your web page. This order list actually gives you number from 1 down to whatever. And then we have the UL. This is an ordered list. This is a kind of list item that they usually comes with the bullet that is circle like that instead of 1 2 3. Alright, don't worry, we get to know more about it when you use them. We have the DL / DL. This is actually a definition list. This is a type of list that has item with their description. Okay, never mind, we'll use them and you will get to know them in our subsequent videos. Okay, alright, just keep your fingers crossed. Now we have the next one, which is called the LI, which is the list item. Okay, this is the tag they actually collect those list items that you have after defining the type of the list, which is the unordered list or the ordered list type, and then this list tag now will now come inside one of these and then give you the list. Don't worry, we get to use them when you get to understand them when we use them, rather. Beg your pardon. Alright, now we go to this one, which is DT, definition tag. This definition tag is actually used to describe the item which to be described, or which you will be describing. Do you understand? Alright, let's go to the next one, which is the DD. This is the definition data or definition term, definition whatever. You understand? This is where your item that you are the description will go to, that you are describing what is above it. Never mind, we get to know them better when we use them. Definitely we are using them. That is why we listed them. So we have the HR. This is a horizontal line tag. Actually, whenever you want to give a horizontal line on your web page, you just type your HR in to give a horizontal line. And then some cases when you want to give a bigger space or give a bigger partition, you can also use the HR to do that. Okay, don't worry, we're getting to that. Right, we'll still go on to this beautiful part of it. We have the form, the slash form. This is the form tag. Actually, it is used to introduce the form into your web page. You know, the form, that's where you input your data to be sent to your database. Do you understand? So this is the tag that you use to introduce that segment. Alright, don't worry, you get to know them. We have the div, the slash div. This is a division tag. It's actually used as a container. You can use this as a container, or you use it as a division. You divide your page into segment, or segments of pages. Do you understand? Don't worry, we are getting there. Now we have the table tag. This is also another container. You can use it as a container. You can use it to control anything on your web page, and so on and so forth. But for now, this is a table. All you need to know right now is that for you to insert a table into your web page, you need to start with the tag table slash table to end it, in order to avoid overfloating. Remember, we are closing each of these tags in order to avoid floating. Alright, we have the tr and slash the tr. This is a table row tag. It's actually describing the row. When you're inserting a new row into a table, you introduce this tag table, and then at the end of the row you slash it, that is slash tr, and that is it. Very simple, straightforward. And then we have the th. The th is actually an attribute, or sorry, it's actually a tag for the header. Do you understand? When you're inserting a table, you need a header of the table. You just use the th, and then to make the headings of that table bold and then unique from the content. And that is very simple. Then we have the td. That is where our contents now come in, which will start from the table data slash the table data. Very straightforward. The input. This is a text field tag. It's actually inside your form. You can introduce it to give you that space where someone or a user can enter his or her name or other information or data. Alright, then we have the font slash font. This is actually a font tag. Use it to format your text. such as the font color, font size, font face, all those things. Then we have the sub. This is actually a subscript tag. A subscript, whenever you need a subscript, like in mathematics, you have some number below the other. Do you understand? That is a typical example. Whenever you need something of that nature, you just use that word, that tag, sub /sub, and then they have the super. We have the super, that would be the last guy. So the superscript is actually the above, the rest to power, just like that. You have this bar of 2 and you want to have something like that, you now use the sub includes of that too. And that is that. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe to this channel so that I will know that people are watching this video, that I am not just wasting my time. Please subscribe and then give a comment if there's anything you need me to add, remove, or any appreciation, comment, anything you feel like, just put it there. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and let me know if there's anything you want, I will add it in this video, and that is it. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.